Namaste, I'm YOGACHARYA JITU from Rishikesh. Today, I will show you simple practice which will help you to release the stress, tension for your neck, shoulder, upper back, and if you have like a neck pain, cervical issue, so these posture will help you to release the stress, tension. So let's get started. Let's do first exercise for your neck. Inhale, lift your head up, look up. Exhale, head down, chin towards the chest. Inhale, lift your head up, look up. Exhale, head down, chin towards the chest. Inhale, look up. Exhale, head down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, head down. One last time. Inhale, look up. Exhale, head down. Inhale, we'll come back to the neutral position. Now we will do side by side. Now inhale, and with the exhalation, tilt your head towards the right shoulder. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, tilt your head towards the left shoulder. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, right side. Inhale, center. Exhale, left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, right side. Inhale, center. Exhale, left side. Inhale, center. One last time. Exhale, right side. And stay here for 5 breaths. 4. Make sure your spine straight, shoulder relaxed. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, tilt your head towards the left shoulder. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come back to the center. Now third exercise, we'll go for neck rotation. We'll make a big circle clockwise first, then we'll do this counterclockwise. So with exhalation, head down. Now start moving your head towards the left shoulder, up, right side, and down. We'll repeat 5 times. 1. Inhale, head up. Exhale, forward and down. 2. Breathe in. And exhale. 3. Inhale. And exhale. 4. Inhale. And exhale. 5. Now we'll repeat this other direction. Counterclockwise. 5. Again, remember, spine straight, shoulder relaxed. 3, 2, and 1. Complete the circle. Next stimulation, head up. We'll stay here for a while with the closed eyes. Now gently open your eyes. Next, we will work with the shoulder rotation. So inhale, stretch your arms forward. Then bend your elbow, drop the fingertips over the shoulder, join your elbow front of the chest, and start rotating your shoulder clockwise direction. 5 times. Inhale, lift your elbow up. Exhale, back and down. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we'll repeat this counterclockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then we'll release the hand. Next, we'll come into the tabletop position. Place the palm on the mat. Open your knees. Hip width apart, palm shoulder width apart. Fingers should be completely wider. This is the one of the best movement for your upper back, neck, and shoulders. So inhale, cat and cow. We'll repeat this 10 times. Arch your lower back, look up. With exhalation, round your spine, look towards the navel. This may help you to reduce the stress, tension, stiffness from the upper back. Keep continue. Exhale, round your spine, look towards the navel. Inhale, arch your lower back, lift the chest, look up. Exhale, round your spine, look towards the navel. Inhale, arch your lower back, lift the chest, look up. Exhale, round your spine, look towards the navel. Inhale, arch your lower back, lift the chest, look up. Exhale, round your spine, look towards the navel. Inhale, arch your lower back, lift the chest, look up. Exhale, round your spine, look towards the navel. Inhale, arch your lower back, lift the chest, look up. Exhale, round your spine, look towards the navel. Inhale, arch your lower back, lift the chest, look up. Exhale, round your spine, look towards the navel. Inhale, come back to the neutral position. Now from here, stretch your arms forward and send your hips back and down. We'll relax in child pose for a few breaths. Very good. Next inhalation. Let's come back to the tabletop. Next, we will go for extended puppy pose. This is the one of the best posture to release the stress, tension from your neck, upper back. So let's try this. It's again, we will come back to the tabletop. Then just walk your palm forward without disturbing your knee and hip alignment. Then try to stretch your arms. Then you can rest your forehead on the mat. If you're finding difficulty to rest your forehead, might be you can use the cushion or bolster here. Then just walk your palm forward, then try to rest your forehead on the bolster here. And stay there for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next inhalation, slowly head up. Walk your palm back. Then remove the bolster if you are using. Then we'll try to sit into the Vajrasana here. Then spine straight, shoulder relaxed. Next inhalation, stretch your arms out with the shoulder level. Then interlace the finger, roll your shoulder back and down, open your chest, try to look up for 5 breaths. 4, 3, 2, and 1. With exhalation, we'll try to drop the head down, front of the knees. Let's stretch the shoulder, lift your arms up for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next inhalation, come all the way up. With exhalation, release the hand. Again, we will sit into the kneeling variation. Next, we will try camel pose, Ustrasana. This is also one of the best posture to open your heart and chest. So let's stand on the knees here. Feet hip width apart. We will try only half variation of the camel. So we'll just place the palm over the hips, roll your shoulder back and down. Now inhale, lift the chest up, and exhale, arch your back and look back or up. Then inhale, slowly come up and exhale. Again, we will repeat this 3 times. Go back, try to open your chest, lift the chest up and look back. Inhale, come up. And one last time, exhale, go back, and we'll try to hold here for 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, slowly come up. Next posture, we'll go for Shashankasana, rabbit pose. You will maintain same alignment. Just lower the hips down, then let's try to tuck your toes in and grab the heel. We'll try to drop the head, crown of the head, front of your knees, and try to lift the hips up. So breathe in with exhalation, drop the crown of the head, and next inhalation, you're gonna lift the hips up and try to stretch your upper back, opposite direction completely for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next inhalation, slowly come up. Exhale, release the hand. And lower the hands down. Then lay down your belly. Next, we will try snake pose. This is the one of the best and favorite posture of especially mine, because this will help you strengthen your lower back muscle also and open up your shoulder and chest. So here feet can be together or hip width apart. Personally, I prefer hip width apart. It allows to go more deeper. So here keep the feet hip width apart. Then try to interlace the finger behind the back. Then roll your shoulder back and up. And then try to open your chest and stretch your arms. Just imagine someone is pulling you back. So lift the chest and hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. With exhalation, slowly come down. So you can repeat this 3 to 5 times according to if you have more time, so you can repeat this. That will be helpful. So now we'll relax. Next posture, we'll try crocodile pose. This is also one of my favorite posture as well. This will give you complete relaxation. If you have like a cervical issue, any like a shoulder pain, so if you have any like a severe injury, I would say you can consult with the doctor, but for like additional benefit, you can practice this posture. So here feet goes little wider than your hips, toes pointing out, heels in. Then we'll try to place the palm under the chin. So it's like a same as we lay down on the beach for sun. So yeah, same. So we'll place the palm under the chin, elbow goes slightly forward. Then here. We'll relax here completely. Do not like squeeze the shoulder or neck. Just relax here. This we need to hold a bit longer, at least 1 to 2 minutes. If you need proper benefit out of the crocodile Makarasana. So we'll stay here, last 10 breaths here. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release the hand. Open your elbow wider, then head down. Those who found difficulty in first variation, they can try the second variation of crocodile. Now we'll try one last posture. So if you have like a block, cushion, bolster, so I have a bolster here. I will use it. So put it on the mat. Then you can just lay down on the bolster. You can increase the height. Okay, you can put the one extra block, cushion, to support your head. If you're comfortable, you can try this. Supta, we'll try this Supta Baddha Karnasana. So join the sole of the feet, then walk your palm back. Then rest your upper back, head, then palm facing upside. Stay here also a little bit longer, at least 1 to 2 minutes. This will help you to expansion your chest, shoulder. So we'll stay here for last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then slowly you will come back. So now I will give you one extra bonus. So this is the, I think, everyone favorite posture, Shavasana. Sometime we don't have pain like a because of like a stiffness, stress, tension, because like a sometime it's like a so much going on our mind. So it can be because of your nervous system is not like a working properly. So Shavasana, one of the best posture for relaxing. So if you relax like a physically, mentally, so that will also help you to relax or your shoulder, neck, and release the stress, tension. So here you will lay down your back, open the feet wider, palm facing up, then gently, softly close your eyes. Take here 20 to 30 deep breath. Will help you to relax yourself completely. Thank you very much to join me this class. If you like the class, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to drop in comment box. I will try to give you all the answer. Namaste.